Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a selected part of an image in Photoshop. First, duplicate the layer of your imported photo by clicking Ctrl+J on your keyboard. Next, in the left side tools, select Patch Tool. And in the options above, set the patch to normal. Next, draw around the area that you would like to remove. Then, it would magically be removed by this tool. And that's it! You have now successfully deleted a part of an image in Photoshop. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!